When it comes to picking lottery numbers, players often adopt various strategies, whether based on statistics or pure luck. Popular approaches include using frequently drawn numbers, which can be found on state lottery frequency charts, although this may increase the chances of sharing a prize if you win. Conversely, selecting less common numbers could lead to a solo win, as fewer people are likely to choose them. Additionally, methods like the Delta system involve a specific process for number selection, while some prefer the simplicity of playing their lucky numbers repeatedly or using random number generators. Others opt for quick picks at the point of purchase, believing that this method offers equal odds of winning. Lastly, incorporating creative patterns or avoiding very common sequences can help make your ticket unique. Regardless of the strategy, remember that the lottery remains a game of chance, so have fun and play responsibly.